Hello my dear kids, wish you all a very happy new year and the compliments of this new year. Today, after a long time, we are meeting once again. From your literacy skill book, page number 36, let's learn about the positions. In, on, far, near and above. Now if you keep your lunch box on the table, you use the sentence to say on the table, on. So ಮೇಜಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ, that means on. So ಅದೊಂದು position. Position is a place where someone or something is. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೂಮ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಟ್, ದ ಮಂಕಿ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ದ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ above the tree, above. The monkey is near the tree, near. The monkey is far away from the tree. So, far. These are the words which depict the position. Hatra, dura, melgade, kelgade. These are the words which will tell you where the position of the object is. Now let's see, the monkey is in the box, in. And here the monkey is on the box. Here the bird is flying above the monkey. And in this picture you will see the monkey is near the tree. And here the monkey is far from the tree. Far, in, on, above, near and far. These are the positions of the monkey. Now there are some more positions where we can say top, bottom, in front of, behind and under. Top andre melgade, bottom andre kelgade, in front of andre eduru, mundakke, behind means hindgade, and under, it's also kelgade. Okay, now you will see in this picture the monkey is on the top of the tree. The monkey is standing or sitting or sleeping on the top of the tree. And here the monkey has come down. It is at the bottom of the tree. Bottom, kelgade. Illi melgade ide, illi kelgade ide. So here the monkey is on the top of the tree. The monkey is at the bottom of the tree. And the monkey is under the tree. Under the tree. Bottom, under, these give more or less same meaning. Okay. The monkey is in front of the tree. Eduru. Marada eduru monkey nindkondide. So in front of the tree. Nim papu ನೀವು ಮರದ ಎದುರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ನೀವು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಗೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಮಂಚದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಕಾಟ್. ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ. And ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೀಕ್ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, then you can say I am hiding behind a tree. I am hiding behind the tree. In this case the monkey is behind the tree. In this picture you will find the fruits are in the basket. The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. And the cat is sitting on the cushion. The girl is standing behind the curtain and the boy is standing in front of the curtain. Parents, I request you to make your child to learn these sentences by heart. Like if they practice this vocabulary, it will help them to remember more English words and their communication will improve. Picture ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳುವುದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಿ. The fruits are in the basket. The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. The cat is sitting on the cushion. The girl is standing behind the curtain and the boy is standing in front of the curtain. And on page 39 you will find the exercise to practice. Circle the correct position words. Now in this circle you have toys. The football is on the, where is the football? This is the football. Top of the shelf or bottom of the shelf? You have, there are two shelves. So this is the bottom shelf, this is top shelf. So at the bottom of the shelf. The bus is near or behind the school. This is the school we have. Where is the bus? The bus is in front of the school. That means it is near the school, not behind the school. We have the entrance of the school here and the bus is here. Therefore, the bus is near the school. Next, there is a tree and the children are sitting. Are they sitting on the tree or under the tree? They are sitting down. So, under the tree. The children are sitting under the tree. Now, the girl is doing exercise. The girl is exercising in front of or under the house. See, this is the house. Okay, she is in front of the house. The dog is near the dog is near from the girl or the dog is far from the girl. Now you see the distance here. It's running. The girl is running behind the dog. So the dog is far from the girl. This is an exercise for you where you will paste the correct stickers for the position words given below. On, near, under, in front of, behind and above. You can, if you don't have stickers, you can Xerox from previous pages and use the pictures, suitable pictures and paste it over here. Okay children? Let's also learn a rhyme. Miss Polly had a dolly. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked at the door with the tat, tat, tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. Then he said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill, 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 and came back in the morning for his bill, bill, bill. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called to the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with the rat, tat, tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. Then he said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill, 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 and he came back in the morning for his bill, bill, bill. Out in the garden one fine day, with my ball I go to play. I bounced it right, I bounced it left, I bounced it well on each fine day. Out in the garden each fine day, with my kite I go to play. I fly it right, I fly it left, I fly it high up in the sky. Out in the garden each fine day, with my ball I go to play. I bounced it right, I bounce it left, I bounce it well on each fine day.